Hello YouTube and welcome back. In this video, which is a quick video and a simple video, and sometimes the simple videos are the most important videos, and the reason that this is a very important video is because I'm talking about cleaning the oil passages. And I'm going to physically run a brush down every passageway, all the way in and all the way back out. You'll see the stuff that comes out. This has been hot tanked and brushed before. After it was buffed, it got brushed again. It's gonna go into the spray washer for a final wash, and I'm gonna brush it again. The reason it's really important to get everything out is because you don't want any of that stuff in the oil galleys to get on your bearings. If it was bored, you could have boring chips from the boring bar. All the machining processes could leave little spots in there. But if the engine sat for a long time, this being a Thunderbird, it sat for a real long time and it had crud in there that was packed. And if we hadn't removed all those oil galley plugs and ran a brush through them, there's no way we could have really gotten it really clean. Also on his FE, there's a plug right here. There's a plug right here. There's a plug right there. FEs have a lot of plugs. This plug goes over, or this hole, should I say, goes over to the oil galley for the lifters on one side. This one on this side goes this way. This one up here goes down to the cam bearings. Every one of the cam bearings have a hole that goes to the mains. There's a lot of holes all in here that we need to physically brush. So like I said, it's a simple video, but very important. We expect the machine shop to do that, and for the most part they do. But what if they have an entry-level guy who just started and he didn't brush them? It is the engine assembler's responsibility to make sure all those oil galley holes are clean. If you're partnered with a great machine shop that you know are looking out for you, the better relationship you have, that's awesome. That's why you want a good partnership with the machine shop, because they're looking out for you, and the more you're comfortable with them, you may not have to ever brush yours ever again because you've never been let down before. The point being, all you need to be is let down one time, and it's the responsibility is the assembler. I may have sent this out. I'm here in the shop. You may have sent this out in the shop. They may have forgotten something in there. You assemble the engine. You can't go back to the shop and go, hey, you know, I got some scratches on my bearings. It had to have come from the oil galley. No, no, no. The engine assembler's responsibility. But I encourage you to partner with the good shop that their practices are 4 or 5 times. Like I said, here I brushed them before, during, and after. That's not here nor there. But I'm here, so I'm going to brush these. Simple video. Don't rely on somebody else to look out for you. Be proactive. Do this yourself. If you're at home doing this, buy you a set of brushes, eBay. Buy you a set of brushes and do this yourself just before final assembly. When you have it on a stand and you're going to wash everything, physically run a brush through every hole. Hit it with some hot water, hot soap, and start assembling. It will never, ever, ever bite you in the butt. So don't overlook a simple process, something real simple, something you can do yourself. I can't say it enough. I think I've said it enough. Clean, 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 clean. Tip of the day, run a brush, a physical brush through every hole. That's it. Simple, quick. Something you can do at home, and it's going to protect you and protect your bearings. Okay, as for me, I'm going to finish brushing these and get it in the spray washer and get back to work. And we'll see you on the next one.